P66 in it, use it on my floors. Love those things.
It's amazing.
Killer.
I'm a Campanelli convert. Over 2,300, is it 2,300? Picked up of the BISSELL. I grew up with BISSELL.
Yes.
Did you grow up with BISSELL?
Yes, oh,
they
absolutely,
are known, right? Here's the great thing about this. It is the SteamShot. So powerful. It's an OmniReach handheld steam. And the best part about it, sanitizer. You are using the power of water and Mother Nature to sanitize all your things. All right, from BISSELL, over 1.3 million BISSELL sold here at QVC. Scott Hine, bring us innovative products. Thank you.
Very glad to be here. And it's 1,000 watts of pressure, 1,000 watts of cleaning power, but like you said, Mother Nature's cleaning solution, which is good old H2O right out of the tap. So what are we talking about here? Well, when we get to think
that
like this,
looks like my oven.
This is the oven door. Now we have burnt this on with a blowtorch to make this as bad as we possibly can here for television. So there's no taking this off. What I want you to see here is that as I start attacking this with the steam, you see I've got this little scrub brush attachment. So what it's doing is it's blasting apart all of that mess that is burnt on literally with a blowtorch.
Oh my gosh,
but then what you see is it's emulsifying, it's breaking it down, scrubbing it, but like you said too, sanitizing as well. 99.9% of some really nasty stuff, some bacteria, staph, a whole bunch of unpronounceable things.
Yes.
But the bottom line is it gives you that confidence. Okay, so now as we've done all that, watch what happens when I come back through with the rag here. Look at the job this did on this oven door. It is amazing how well that works. And you can just keep going. Again, it's just blasted apart. Whether it's the metal, whether it's the glass, whatever.
Burnt on, caked on, and possibly done that for years.
That's right, that's right. And again, it's the key here is not just the water. Don't get me wrong, that's an awesome part.
Yes.
It's the pressure. You see all that pressure literally melting that off. So again, as I come back through, and again, we've put a lot on here. I know that. But the thing is, this is what you're getting at the end. It's just the water, and you have that confidence of using just the water.
If you have like a renovation business and apartments, I mean, this is so good because I've seen ovens like that. That used to be my old kitchen oven.
Certainly.
So gross.
Or
you almost give up.
It's the grease under the hood of your oven. It's the your kitchen countertops. It's your bathrooms. I just I felt a little bit under the weather just for a day, not a problem. But then when you're done, when you feel better, you kind of want to just go around and clean everything. But you want to clean with the confidence of steam with sanitizing, and that's exactly what this does. It's handheld, weighs less than 3 pounds. It is powerful. It is super, super effective.
Oh my goodness, and the way that it sanitizes all the things with the power of steam and water, 99.9%, right?
That's right,
Clean,
that's right.
Right? Scott, will you also go through the accessories because you're doing a lot?
Yeah, I'd love to. And the funny thing is there's just so many things going on here. It's tough to get to them all, but you get 3 different scrub brushing attachments.
Everything
colors.
You need.
Yeah, so maybe one for the kitchen, one for the bathroom, one for, whatever, the car, whatever it might be. You get this grout tool, which cleans the grout for you, great attachment. You get a scraping tool, you get a directional tool. An extension hose, you get the directional nozzle, a steaming bonnet. You can refresh your upholstery, your clothing, your pillows, and then a squeegee, which I'll show you in just a second.
For all the jobs around your house, your bathroom,
and a partridge in a pear tree. I mean, you get it all. So here we go, coffee maker, right? This is what you drink out of, right? You don't want to put chemicals in that. You don't want to put chemicals in your oven. That's where you cook. Well, how about we just go ahead and blast this with steam, okay?
You're not cleaning it, you're sanitizing it as well.
And you're doing it with power. So you come in here, and then that's what you're getting out. I understand it's just coffee, but now you've only used water to clean it. Same thing here on the bottom, your coffee pot. Just blast that all thing. Again, water goes in there anyway. Might as well just clean with water. So we blast that all apart. And the same thing here, we come back around and wipe that all up with no problems. And then the inside.
Wow, look at that.
Don't forget about this. Watch this. Look how that just fills up with steam. That is really where you're seeing the power and the volume of steam you get from the BISSELL SteamShot.
Scott, a couple years ago, I discovered the power of a steamer because I was really scared and I wanted to make sure that things were sanitized. And I really researched this, and I realized, oh my goodness, there's this magic thing, the power of steam, where you can disinfect, sanitize 99.9%. Whoa!
Yeah, this is fun. This is one of my favorite demonstrations. This is about a 2-3 inch block of ice, okay? And I'm just going through it one after another, See, I've already done 4 holes. We can show it right there, and I'll show it as it comes out to you. It blasts right through that ice. That's what I'm talking about when I say the steam, where I'm talking about the pressure and the water itself. I could keep doing this all day. And I know what you're saying. You're thinking to yourself, well, Scott, like, why would I do that? Because what about your freezer? Have you ever had your freezer over freeze? Have you had ice get on the bottom of it? You need to clear it out?
Yeah.
You don't want chemicals in your freezer. This is the way to do it.
Keep going, Scott. There's only one color. I
Yep.
mean, this price is unbelievable. $44.98. And imagine this. You don't have to buy chemicals to clean anymore. You can use water.
Yeah.
That's the best thing.
So, same thing. In your shower, okay? Well, you know, when you take a shower, obviously you're using water. You want to use water. But how about instead of using chemicals in your shower where you take your shower, how about we, How about we just use what's supposed to be in there in the first place? So as I look through here,
watch
not
this.
Really great, right? Oh, hey guys, how are you? Watch what happens though when I get this with that squeegee attachment. I'll start coming down through. It literally melts off that soap scum. And it squeeges it down to the bottom.
Squeeges it at one shot.
Isn't that cool?
You don't even have to do it twice.
So we're just blasting off all that soap scum using Mother Nature's cleaning solution, H2O.
Look how clear it is.
And then as I come down, I'll just finish it down here. Look at what was there before. Hey guys. Hey, hi. Hey, hi.
Great job, Scott.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about all the soap scum, all like grout, every single place. The kitchen. Keep going. Keep going. I want to see this.
Absolutely. Yeah. So what we have here is we put that directional nozzle on. You show me, so it bends down here.
There's
this
a lot of
really
great accessories.
Concentrates the steam. Look how powerful, how pressurized that is. So we come down in here in the sink. You know, around the actual sink itself, maybe near garbage disposal, get really down in there, blast all this apart. See how we're really wrecking shop in there, knocking out the gunk, all that, you know what I mean? So look how it just
That
cleans.
looks like a mechanic sink
at the
oil station, the gas station.
Like someone who works in a coal mine. Yeah, no, I know. But here's the thing. You come back through. It's broken all over apart.
I also didn't see you like scrubbing away either. It's that so powerful pressure as well.
That's right.
You know, the other great thing, Scott, is I had one of those big steamers, but they were big, and I had to lug it around. Hey, handheld.
Yeah. Real lightweight, 3 pounds, not even.
You're going to use it more often.
1,000 watts of power, a good long 16-foot cord to get all around your kitchen,
Did
your
you
bathroom.
come to my kitchen and use the dirty cutting board that has all the marks that are caked in?
So you nailed it. Here's what happens. You are cutting steak, you are cutting chicken, whatever it is that you're cutting up. Well, when you go to cut something else, you want to make sure that the board is completely clean.
You know what's in there?
Yeah. That's the 99.9.
Meat juice, chicken salmonella juice, all the juice.
Right. Because what happens here is when you cut, that stuff, that steak juice, chicken juice goes in here. So how many
bacteria.
Yeah, it comes out. That's exactly right. It comes out of your dishwasher looking like this. You wipe it down, it looks like this. Well,
Over
guess
100
what?
gone,
When you have
watch
the
this.
SteamShot, it just starts blasting it out of those knife grooves. So see how it's knocking? I'm only gonna do half of it.
I could never wash it like this with a scrubber.
No, you can't get in it. You can put bleach on it. You can do anything you want. You need the pressure.
You don't want to use bleach or any of those
not on
chemicals,
a cutting board, you don't.
or any kind of cleaning solution on all your kitchen stuff. Things you're going to eat off. You know what you're going to use? Water.
And then look what happens when you come back through here on the bottom where those
Scott, I'm going to buy this and try this at home because literally you just saved my cutting board. Keep going.
Yeah, your humidifiers, Innovation humidifiers. Love them, represented them for years.
Full of mold. Sorry.
Well,
dirty. Sorry.
They are most of them. Whomever you get have antimicrobial. They get some stuff.
No, not mine.
They do get. You know what they do get? That calcium buildup from hard water. It can affect the.
My humidifier right now is full of like orange crud because I have hard water. So.
A lot of that is calcium buildup.
And it's in all the crevices, and I can't get to it.
It can affect the effectiveness of what's called the atomizer, that little part right there. Well, if you're having that issue, get in here again. You only want water coming out of your humidifier. And a lot of times, humidifier makers will say use vinegar, and that's fine. Vinegar's fine. However, do you want to smell vinegar? No, you want to smell water.
You might ruin your machine.
Is nothing. You don't want to do it.
You might ruin your machine.
So use that to clean, and then
and you're sanitizing it.
That's exactly
correct. Over
correct.
200 sold. Yeah.
That's right. So now we come here. We'll go to, this is like a vent fan, okay? So this is a vent fan in like your shower. Could be anywhere in your home.
Full of grease.
You just want to blow the stuff out of this. So see how the steam goes in between. The little brush there goes in between each groove, And see how it's blasting all of that out. You can come through and wipe it or just clean it up, but all that yucky stuff that's in there. And then if we're able to back out just a little, I want you to see how it's kind of coming out of both sides here. So you're really working how, see how the steam comes out of all the sides, out of this side and this side? It really is effective. And then finally, for you golfers like me who hit more ground than you do. Yeah, a little more, you hit more ground than you do ball. No problem. Clean up your golf club. And then this way, you at least look good in the parking lot.
Over 1.3 million Bissell sold with all the accessories that you need for the kitchen, for all the things. And you know what? The best thing, the power of steam. That's water, Mother Nature.
That's it.
Thank you, friend.
So good to see you.
Oh my goodness, what a great price. I'm gonna get this. All right, stick around. Oh, what's that? Oh, here.